Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing like an unboxing video of Sundae body. I've been waiting for this for so long. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. Looks so cute. Let's open. But look, let's give it a moment again. Look, it has like the yellow and white stripes. I got it with two, and then like this Sundae and like orange. Looks so cute. And then here's the back, and then it says every day, everybody, and then body care. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Let's open it. This looks so cute. Wait, I want to show you this. Look how cute. I got the cool mint and honey. Yeah, they're supposed to open it like that. So I have the Sundae cool mint. Looks so cute. It smells so good. And see the honey. Smells so good as well. So guys, if you haven't checked out the brand, go ahead and check her right now. And I want PR package. So yeah. Wait, I'm gonna actually do this. I'm gonna have that. I have honey. That's honey. Ow. Then add a bit of cool mint. Okay. So, bye guys. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.